What's up, everybody? You're watching another signNow video guide with the next tip on how electronic signatures can make your day-to-day document workflows paperless and stress-free.
NDAs, offer letters, onboarding new employees. Human resource administrators can spend hours managing repetitive documents and tasks. The demands can be overwhelming. signNow helps human resources make essential tasks like hiring, onboarding, and employee benefit forms paperless so that you can save money and time, decrease errors, increase compliance, and greatly improve employee and customer satisfaction. Here are a few insights on how to use signNow to optimize your processes, improve employee satisfaction, and let your HR staff focus on strategic initiatives, not paperwork. If you'd like to share a document via a short link without having to add signer email addresses, use signNow to generate a unique URL and share it with your recipients. Every user that has the link can access a document and sign their own copy. Signing links allow you to collect data and signatures by quickly sharing documents and forms on the web, in chats and messengers, or via email. Signers can access and complete your documents as long as the corresponding signing links are active. Start by uploading your document to signNow. Alternatively, you can use any document or template already stored in your account. Add signer roles and fillable fields using the toolbar on the left. Click Save and Close to save your changes and then return to the dashboard. Keep in mind that if you add one role, signers will be instantly redirected to complete the document in the signNow editor. If you add more than one role, the person who follows the link will be authorized to define signer roles and send signature invites to the corresponding recipients. To generate a new signing link, click Create Invite Link next to the document or template you intend to share. The link will appear in the pop-up window. Copy it and share it via any available communication channel. Use the checkboxes below the signing link to set the parameters for your signature invite. The person who follows your link will open your document in a browser tab where they can sign it online in seconds. Let's see what else you can do with signNow. There are two types of fields in creating a document in signNow: editable for document senders and fillable for document signers. Each field is assigned to a specific role. You can set each field as required or optional and specify which data types are valid for that field. If you need to sign a document before sending it, add your signature any way you like. Type your full name, draw your signature using a mouse, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose whether you'd like recipients to receive your invite in the order they're signing the document or at the same time. Customize invite emails, protect your document by adding additional authentication methods, set up document expiration dates with automated reminders, or allow your recipients to forward or even decline the invite. Select what you want to do with a signed document, including deciding who needs copies. Use document groups if you need to bundle documents together, send a group of documents to a single signer, or create signing steps for multiple signers across multiple documents. To start collaborating, create a team and invite your colleagues. As the team admin, you can add or delete users, view shared documents and templates, and so much more. Visit our Help Center if you need more help with signNow. You can start a live chat or submit a new support request, and our support team will contact you as soon as possible. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
If you work with documents on a regular basis, click the link in the description and try signNow for a period of 7 days absolutely free.